Next stretch right and left. Up and down. Hands on the shoulders and rotate forward with elbows touch. Now elbows back. Arms forward and rotate your wrist clockwise and anti-clockwise. Now stretch your knees up towards your chest. Stretch your toes up and down. Now rotate your ankle clockwise and anti-clockwise. Lokasana, boat posture. Benefits are it strengthens the abdomen muscles. It helps to remove belly fat. It improves digestion. It strengthens the muscles of the arms, thighs and shoulders. Anulom Vilom Pranayam. Sit in Sukhasana. Spine should be straight. Using the right thumb, block the right nostril. Inhale through the left nostril. Block both nostrils and hold the breath for few seconds. Keep the left nostril blocked and release the right nostril. Exhale through the right nostril. Now inhale through the right nostril, block both the nostrils and hold the breath. Keep the right nostril blocked and release the left nostril. Exhale from the left nostril. Block both the nostrils, hold the breath in suspension for few seconds. This completes one single round. Start the cycle again, this time inhaling from the right nostril. Repeat for a maximum of 10 rounds. Try to increase the counts of inhalation and exhalation with regular practice. Try to maintain the ratio of equal counts for inhalation, exhalation and suspension of breath. while holding the breath for double the duration. Benefits are: it helps to relieve depression, stress, and anxiety. It increases concentration, patience, focus, decision making ability. It improves lungs capacity. Meditation. Concentrate on the third eye or our breathing. Benefits are: it reduces stress, it promotes emotional health, it enhances self-awareness, it decreases blood pressure, it improves our sleep.